Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is one of the smartest investments you can make for your home. Modern window technology, including double-pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames, is designed to reduce heat transfer, improve comfort, and lower energy bills. But here's what many homeowners in Covington don't realize. Even the most advanced energy-efficient window won't perform properly without professional installation. If installation is rushed or done incorrectly, you may not experience the full benefits you expected. Here's why proper installation plays such a critical role in energy-efficient window performance. Eliminating air leaks and drafts. One of the primary goals of energy-efficient windows is to create a tight seal between your indoor and outdoor environments. However, if a window is not installed squarely and securely, small gaps can form around the frame. In Covington's climate, where humidity and seasonal temperature changes are common, even minor air leaks can cause noticeable discomfort. Warm air can enter during summer, and cooler air can seep in during winter. This forces your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a consistent temperature. Professional installers carefully measure, level, and seal each window to prevent air infiltration. Proper insulation and weatherproofing around the frame ensure that your windows perform as designed. Preventing moisture intrusion. Energy efficiency isn't just about temperature, it's also about moisture control. Improperly installed windows can allow water to enter around the frame during heavy rain. Over time, moisture intrusion can damage walls, insulation, and framing materials. It can also lead to mold growth, which affects indoor air quality and overall home health. Experienced installers use flashing, sealants, and correct installation techniques to create a watertight barrier. In Covington, where storms and humidity can challenge exterior materials, proper installation is essential for long-term durability. Maximizing insulation performance. Energy-efficient windows often include insulating gas fills between panes and specialized coatings that regulate heat transfer. But these features only work effectively when the window is correctly fitted into the opening. If a window is slightly misaligned or poorly shimmed, it can create pressure points that weaken seals over time. This may result in condensation between panes or reduced insulating performance. Professional installation ensures that the window sits evenly within the frame, maintaining structural integrity and protecting the insulating components. Supporting HVAC efficiency. When windows are installed correctly, they help stabilize indoor temperatures. This reduces the frequency and intensity of HVAC cycles. If windows are improperly sealed, your heating and cooling system must compensate for energy loss. Over time, this increases wear and tear on your equipment and may lead to higher utility bills. For homeowners in Covington, proper window installation contributes directly to a more efficient and cost-effective home. Ensuring smooth operation. Energy-efficient windows should open and close smoothly. Improper installation can lead to sticking, difficulty locking, or uneven movement. These issues not only cause frustration but can also compromise the window's seal when closed. A secure, properly aligned window locks tightly and maintains its energy-saving performance. Professional installers adjust hardware, align frames, and test operation to ensure long-term functionality. Protecting your investment. Energy-efficient windows represent a significant investment in your home. Choosing professional installation protects that investment by ensuring optimal performance and durability. Reputable installers understand local building codes, manufacturer specifications, and climate considerations specific to Covington. Their expertise helps prevent costly issues that can arise from improper techniques. Long-term comfort and savings. Ultimately, proper installation determines whether you fully benefit from energy-efficient window technology. When installed correctly, these windows help maintain consistent indoor temperatures, reduce energy consumption, and improve overall comfort. For Covington homeowners seeking better efficiency and long-term value, investing in professional installation is just as important as selecting high-quality windows. When it comes to performance, precision matters, and proper installation makes all the difference.